Alright, ni hao, Sifu Kairesh here. How are y'all doing? I just had my hair cut. Yes, I understand I don't have much hair, but a little bit on, I don't know, just had a quick haircut and my beard shaved, so I look younger a bit. Some of y'all are now going to tell, hey, Sifu, not much difference. There is some difference. I bought this machine, so I can't cut for myself. So I got my friends to cut for me, my cousins. How are y'all doing? How was my yesterday's cooking? So I just got a question. I'm doing this live here today is because I had a student asking me, hey, Sifu, is there any... we're talking about Chinese language, so if y'all are new, come introduce yourself. Yesterday I did some cooking. Okay, today is not about cooking. Today is a little bit more on Mandarin language in regards to the masterclass which I'm going to have another 2 weeks time. So I'm very excited for the number of students that have signed up. So those of y'all have signed up, that's awesome. And I want to raise this point. Maybe you can watch this when you're free later. You can come and watch this video. I'm going to talk about in terms of speaking the Mandarin language using a three principle formula. So if you are watching this now, this is like a group preparatory. How should I explain? Preparatory before my class starts. Because I will be taking you down to a very deep level of fluency. So the three simple secrets that you need to know is clarity. Yes, Shashikumar, yes, this is very important for you. Clarity. Second one is smoothness. Then the third one is clarity, smoothness, and speed. So looking forward, Chewa. Thank you. So I did an audio this morning, so I shall do a live video. I'm doing a live video now, so you can watch this video later. It is called clarity, smoothness, and then clarity, smoothness, and speed. Let's say, for example, clarity means every word that you see and read, you speak it clearly. Let's say, for example, I want to eat. Example, it's called 我要吃饭. See, speak every word clearly. I is 我, want is 要, 吃饭 is eat rice. But it's not about speaking. 我要吃饭, I know you may know already what it means. I want to eat rice. But it more towards learning every word and speaking it clearly, slowly. So you focus on clarity. Step number 1 is clarity. 我要吃饭. Let's say, for example, I want to eat noodles. 我要吃面. So you go slow. 我要喝水. You see? You speak that way. 我, let's say, for example, I want to see the newspaper. 我要看报纸. This is 我要, then put any verbs behind. Okay? So that is clarity. So when I say clarity, it also means doing what do you call it? Segments. 我要吃饭. That means you have 3 parts, 3 segments. 我 one part, 要 one part, 吃饭 another part. So we have 3 parts. 我要吃饭 means I want to eat. 我要吃饭. 我要喝水. You see, can you see there's 3 segments? Don't go for 我要吃饭. Don't go for sentences. Remember, Mandarin is all about learning small words, combining into phrases, where these phrases become sentences. From the sentences become, conversations. So you're not really having a conversation. You are just putting words together and speaking in form of segments. It becomes like Mandarin. So let's say, for example, you are saying, 如果你要学华语，你需要过来跟我学中文. Give me just like let's say, for example, 我要学中文，我过来，你教我学中文. You see, I'm speaking some Mandarin sentences, but for you to understand, you need to understand sentence structure. From sentence structure, you break it down into segments. From segments, you break it down even to words. That's why if you understand this entire concept, Mandarin becomes easy. So remember these three principles. Clarity, that means you learn every word and you speak it in terms of segments. In terms of, let's say for a basketball player. Zakwan, my Malaysian airport student. Basketball is called lan chiu. Lan is called basket. Ball is called chiu. So basketball, lan chiu. Yes, sounds like a bad word. That is in Hokkien. Hokkien, I don't want to say. That's a different meaning. Okay. Basketball, please. Lan chiu. So if you want to tell, I want to play basketball, 我要玩篮球. I want basketball, 我要篮球. Alright? If you enjoyed this session, please share it with your friends. You got it or not? So clarity. That means you speak it slow. 我要玩篮球. Okay? Now, that is segments. Clarity. That means every word you're speaking clearly. Now, let's get down to smoothness. Smoothness is all about removing those spaces between sentences where it becomes a complete sentence. That means 我要玩篮球. Remove the... Can you see I'm speaking with some pauses? Remove the pauses, it becomes smooth. 我要玩篮球. Can you see or not? 我要玩篮球. Okay? So you can even test this on your own. So you become smooth. 我要玩篮球. 我要吃饭. 我要喝水. If I pause it, 我要喝水. This is how you learn Mandarin the correct way. This is where you learn from word by word. You speak it slowly. You speak with clarity. Very much focus on clarity. Don't get into fluency. Because fluency, it comes when you master clarity. Every word you got to learn and speak it correctly. Then when you remove the pauses, you become smooth. 我要吃饭, 我要喝水, 我要学中文. You see? 我要驾车, 我要去做工. You see? But if you learn, you go slow. 我要去做工. Okay? That means I want to go to work. Okay? I want to learn Mandarin. 我要学中文. Remove the pauses, you get into level 2, which is smoothness. 我要学中文. This is how you learn Mandarin. Once you master these 2 steps, then you get into speed. 我要学中文, 我要喝水, 我要喝茶, 我要吃面, 我要去做工. You see, this is where you get into speed. Do not get into speed if you're not good in smoothness and clarity. So this is very powerful. So those of y'all who are going to join my masterclass, which is happening in another 2 more weeks, which is 26, 27 of June, this is the first step you need to do. Second step, preparation, you need to know is you need to download your Chinese keyboard. Not to download, if like now you're chatting in English and Bahasa Melayu kan, you can add extra language called Simplified Chinese. Okay, you join my membership portal, sana ada video, so step by step. If Android, there's a certain settings. For iPhone, there's certain settings. That means when you graduate with me, you're going to know how to read Chinese characters, you know how to chat in Mandarin, you can speak, you can understand. I give you a certificate. Okay, so certification. So this is the preparation you need before joining my class. So the game changer in my class is actually sentence structure. I'm going to focus a lot on sentence structure, where you learn how I break down the entire Mandarin language into a step-by-step formula. You just have to follow the formula. Mandarin is in your hands already. Okay, so that's it. So this will be my live session today, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for wasting time with me. Workers at Spare Part, speak Mandarin to me. Hey, Zakwan, come online for a while. Can go live. I want to know your story. How to go on camera with you. Lie. Where are you? Are you at work? Eating now, alamak. Forget it lah. Another day we plan. Yes, I just want to go in for dinner now. So I just do a quick live video now lah. Okay. So hope you all enjoy yourself. Hey, Zakwan, what's up me? We have to get in touch lah. Lama tak chat dengan you. I want to know what's your story and what's your latest update. Next time. Yeah, sure. A lot to update. Hey, the video I did with you, I think dah cecah 20 ke 30 ribu views in YouTube. Very nice. I think more lah, 50,000 I think. You go and see in YouTube, a lot of views. Interesting 2 Melayu, 3 Melayu, 1 India cakap bahasa Cina. Interesting. Those were the days lah. Bila 2019 kan I ajar you. 2019, yes. 2019. Yeah, already 19 lah. Yeah, which batch January, February, March batch. Seriously, 2019, 5 months I was teaching in Malaysian airports. All of y'all come in, gelak, dan dah boleh cakap bahasa Cina dah. Okay guys, keep in touch. Thank you so much for joining me. So those of y'all who have registered for the masterclass, this is the preparatory thing you need. Hey, Zakan, you also got time, come lah. Join my class. Refresh balik bahasa Cina. Okay, gotta go. See you. 谢谢. 再见. Hey, join my Telegram. I'm giving daily nice lessons. Every morning 8 o'clock, some lessons coming up. Okay, ciao. Cheers.